Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we're going to learn how to reply Google Business Profile reviews using AI agent. So I am an owner of a fashion apparel store and I receive a lot of reviews from my customers on my Google Business Profile. Now replying to all these comments manually is very time consuming. So what I've done is I have created an AI agent which is going to automatically create a reply and then reply it back to the comment that has been posted on my Google Business Profile. So here in this automation, what is going to happen that as soon as I'm going to receive a new review in my Google Business Profile, AI agent is going to generate the reply to it, and then automatically that same AI agent is going to post that reply on my Google Business Profile to the customer. So if you want to learn about this amazing automation process step by step, for that let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to reply to Google Business Profile reviews using AI agent. So as an owner of a clothing store, I know how important it is to engage with customers and maintain a strong online presence. Responding to my Google Business Profile reviews helps me to build trust and encourage repeat business. I use Pabbly Connect to automate the process of fetching the new reviews from Google Business Profile. Then I use an AI agent, that is OpenAI, in order to create a response based on the review segment. And finally, then I use Pabbly Connect again to automatically post the AI generated reply on my Google Business Profile as well. This automation ensures quick and thoughtful responses, enhances my brand's reputation, and saves me valuable time. And I'm going to create this amazing automation between these applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the products that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button right here. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the workflow name and for us to select a folder. So for the name of my workflow over here, I'm going to give it as Reply Google Business Profile Reviews using AI Agent. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow. Then it is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click on this drop down. These are the folders from which I'm going to select AI Agent Automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving the name to the workflow and selecting the folder, I'm going to click on this Create button in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of Reply Google Business Profile Reviews using AI Agent, and you can see that there are two windows in front of you. One over here says Trigger, other says Action. So what is Trigger and Action? Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two principles. Over here, trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means what is action? Action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step first. And for the trigger application over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as Google Business Profile. As with the help of Google Business Profile, I'm receiving a lot of reviews in my business. I want that as soon as a new review is going to be added in my Google Business Profile, automatically the trigger over here should capture the response of that. That is why for my trigger application, I've selected it as Google Business Profile. And the trigger event over here is going to be new review, as we're going to capture the response of the new review, okay? After selecting the trigger application and the event, I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection that you already have. After that, click on this sign in with Google button right here. Then this window is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for a permission. So I'm going to click on this continue button, as this is a safe process and my data is perfectly safe with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this continue button right here. As I've done that, you can see I have successfully authorized my Google Business Profile account to Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, it is asking for us to select an account. I have created an account in the name of Parampara. So I'm going to select the account over here as Parampara. Next, it is asking for the location name. The location name is again going to be Parampara. So I'm going to select the location name over here as Parampara as well. Okay. You need to select the location name for which you want to collect the reviews of. I've selected the account and the location. After that, over here it says save and send test request. As I'm going to click on this button, the last review that was posted on our Google Business profile is going to be captured in the response. So before clicking on this button, what I'm going to do is, with the help of a user account, so this is my account, I'm going to generate a new review. Okay, so this is the store that I have in the name of Parampara. And now let us add a new review right here. For that, what we have to do is, I'm going to click on this edit button right over here to write a new review. Okay, so over here for the rating, I'm going to give it as 5. And for the experience and the message, I'm going to write it as... So this is the review that I have, that is absolutely love shopping at Parampara store. The variety of ethnic wear is incredible. Every piece reflects great craftsmanship. The quality of the fabric is excellent and the designs are truly unique. The customer service was outstanding, friendly, patient and super helpful. So this is the review that I have. I'm going to click on this post button to post the review right here. As I've done that, if I'm going to go back, you can see I'm going to refresh this page from here. My review has been added successfully. You can see right over here. As now this review is added, I'm going to go back to my workflow and click on the save and send test request button right here. As I've done that, if I'm going to scroll on, you can see a new review has been captured in the response. The rating comes over here as 5. This is the date and time of the review being added. You can see right over here. This is the display name, that is Angel Anthony. If I'm going to go back, this Angel Anthony, you can see right over here is the display name. If I'm going to scroll down, this is the comment, that is the review of this customer right here. Okay, if you go to tally the response, there's the same comment that has been added to our profile in our Google Business account. Okay, so as now this review has been captured over here in our trigger, this means that Google Business profile has been connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is done. Now, every time a new review is going to be posted in our Google Business profile account, automatically the trigger over here is going to capture the response of that. But if the response has not been captured instantly, then do not worry, as Google Business profile is a polling based application. Over here you can see it says 1 hour. This is the polling duration. That means in every 1 hour, whenever the new data is going to be collected by Google Business profile, in every hour it is going to send the new data to Pabbly Connect. Okay, if you want to make changes in this trigger time right over here, go to the 3 dots. Over here in the option it says set trigger time. Click on this option. This window is going to appear in front of you. If I'm going to click on this field right over here, you can see we have the minimum trigger time of 10 minutes to the maximum being 24 hours. You can select the trigger time over here according to your requirement. I want it as 1 hour, so I've saved the trigger time over here as 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. Okay, so as now our trigger setup is done, we need to set up our action step. My objective is that as soon as we have the new review, with the help of the AI agent, I want to generate the response, a reply towards this review. Now over here for the AI agent, I'm going to select it as OpenAI. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my action step, in which for the action application over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as OpenAI, and the action event over here is going to be ChatGPT. Okay, so this is my action event right here. And then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection that you have. After that, it is asking for the token of your OpenAI account. To have the token, click on this hyperlink right over here. As you go to click on this hyperlink, the API's page is then going to appear in front of you. And to create your own token, click on this create new secret key button right over here. Give the name of the key, project over here, and all the permissions. And as you go to click on this create secret key, the token is going to be generated. And as the token is going to be generated, copy it and paste it right over here. And then click on the save build the connection. But I have already created a connection, so I'm going to select that existing connection and click on the save button right here. Okay, so as now OpenAI is connected, it is asking for us to select the AI model. For the AI model, I'm going to select as GPT-4o mini right over here, because this is the model that I want to use for generating the replies. Okay, after that over here it is asking for the prompt. With the help of this prompt, the content is going to be generated by ChatGPT, our AI agent. So the prompt, you need to write all the requirements that you want in the content. So I'm going to write my prompt over here as, this is the prompt that I want, that is, I own Parampara store, a fashion store where customers leave reviews and ratings 1 out of 5 stars on my Google Business profile. I want to generate well-crafted, thoughtful replies that match their feedback, appreciating positive reviews and professionally handling negative ones. Based on the provide review, this is the customer reviews field, and rating, this is the rating, create a polite, engaging and personalized response that maintains my store reputation and ensures customer satisfaction. The name of the customer is this the field. I do not want a letter, just one paragraph of maximum 100 words. So this is the prompt that I have, with the help of which ChatGPT is going to generate the content, the reply. Okay. Now for the data of these fields like the customer rating, customer review and the customer's name, what we're going to do is we are going to map the data. Now what is mapping? Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we're going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. And how it works is that as soon as I'm going to select this customer reviews field, this was the previous step. And as I'm going to click on this previous step, this is the same response that was captured in our previous step, the name of the customer, the review is right over here, and the rating is also right here, okay? It is asking for the customer's review. In the previous response, you have received the customer's review right over here, the comment. So I'm going to select the data of this comment of the review of my customer from my previous response. Now, as I've selected the data from my previous response, what happens is the data is mapped. And now as I've mapped the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. Next, it is asking for the customer's rating. So for the rating also, I'm going to map the data of the rating. And for the customer's name, I'm going to map the data of the name of my customer right here. So this is the name, I'm going to map it. So this is the prompt for which the reply will be generated. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on the Save and Send Test Request button right here. As I've done that, you can see over here for the message content, this is the content that is generated. Let us tally the response. Over here it says, thank you so much, Angel Anthony. This was the name of the customer for your glowing review. We are thrilled to hear that you have a loving shopping experience at Parampara store and appreciate our variety of ethnic wear. So you can see the reply has been successfully generated towards the comment, the review that our customer has added on our Google business profile, and using AI agent, the reply has now been generated. So as now we have the reply, now what I want to add this reply back to the comment that was added in my Google business profile. Now for doing that, we are going to add another action step to this workflow. And for the action application over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to again select it as Google business profile. And the action event over here is going to be create reply. And then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you, in which I'm going to select the existing connection, but if you want, you can add a new connection. Then I'm going to click on the save button right here. After that, over here, it is asking for the review name. Over here for the review name, I'm going to toggle this map button on in order to enter the data of the review name. We are going to map the data of the review name. In this step, Google Business Profile New Review, we have received the name of the review. You can see right over here, this is the name. I'm going to map the data of this review name right over here in the review name field, okay? Then for the reply, I'm going to map the data of the content that was generated by our AI agent, that is right here. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on this Save and Send Test Request button. As we have done that, over here we've received the update time and the comment. So this is a positive response. So if I'm going to go back to my Google Business profile, over here I'm going to refresh this reviews page of my profile right here. You can see this was a review of the customer. You can see right over here, and towards this review, a reply has been generated and been posted. You can see right over here, okay? So as now a reply has been posted on our Google Business profile to the review that was added by our customer. This means that we have successfully created an automation between Google Business Profile and our AI agent with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up what we have done, I am an owner of a fashion apparel store, and using Google Business Profile, I manage the reviews of my customers who attend my store. Over here, what I've done is for the trigger, I've selected as Google Business Profile New Review. As whenever a new review is going to be added in my Google Business Profile, the trigger over here is going to capture the response of the review. Then using this AI agent, that is OpenAI, a reply towards this review is going to be generated, okay? And as the reply using this AI agent is going to be generated with Pabbly Connect, using this action step, that is Google Business Profile Create Reply, this reply that was generated as a content is going to be posted back towards the review that was added in our profile using this action step. And with Pabbly Connect in this manner, I have created a connection between these applications. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can check the queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.